Edo Governor Obaseki don flag off the Edo State Food Support Program in collabo with Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN). The program, wey dem tag Christian Feeding Program, dey designed to feed the poorest of the poor for the state, with a similar program for the Muslim community wey dem go launch in the coming months. For the flag-off ceremony of the program for Baptist Convention Ground, TV Road, Benin City, the governor come tok say politics no dey for the food program sake of say dem dey do am for God, and dem no fit play politics with wetin concern God. A consti tok say,
we are launching the first phase, which is to say, let us just give palliatives. Let us give food to people who cannot eat today. As we are giving them food, let us get more information about them. Where they live, what they do, if they have phone numbers, if they have SIM card, let us have this information. Let me now go back to government and now let's see how we can help these people with jobs, with livelihoods. What we are doing is a duty of government. The only difference here is that you are the ones that have organized it yourselves. You are the ones that have done the procurement of the food. I said, let us buy the food here in Edo State, not take the money out of Edo State. Let us do the bagging here. The transportation, let us use our own people. How are you coping? And how can government work with you? So that's how we put our head together to come up with this program, where I said, in all the meetings I attended with them, I and my special advisor on religious matters were the only two government people with CAN, because I did not want it to be political. We are doing this for God, and we cannot play politics with the matters of God.
Chairmo Planning Committee, Edo State Food Support Program, and Chairmo Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN) Edo State Chapter, Apostle Irikpano Omoeke, thank the governor for reaching out to the poor, needy, and vulnerable for the society. A contact say,
we have here 27,000 bags of 10 kg bags of rice for distribution to citizens. This is for Edo South, the 7 local governments in Edo South Senatorial District only. The logistics to move this rice to communities and the churches where they will be distributed to those who need them is already in place. We have 50,000 bags for Edo Central and 18,000 bags for Edo North. We wish to humbly appreciate the governor for his overall commitment to citizens' welfare in our state. Our dear governor is taking the lead in seeking and implementing strategies to tackle the hardship occasioned by the worsening economy and hunger in Nigeria.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.